You know what this is? Bloody epic, that's what it is. Hey guys, Pierre from Into Fly Fishing. For those of you that tie your own flies, you'll know the great satisfaction it gives you when you catch a fish on your own creation. If you're ready to take the next step in your fly fishing journey, why don't you consider building your own fly rod? The guys over at Swift Fly Fishing sent me this ready to build kit so that I can show you just how easy and fun it is to build your own rod. This is the first part of our rod building series where we'll look at the components and materials you get with a kit. Epic rods come in a wide variety of line weights and materials. They're probably best known for their high quality modern fiberglass rods, but don't take their carbon rods for granted. These are premium rods that compete with all the big boys in the business. One of the main reasons why I like to build my own fly rods is that it gives you access to near $1,000 rods for almost half the price. Now you might ask, is this possible even if I don't have that much technical knowledge? If you're looking to build your first fly rod, I'll discourage you from turning your own grip or reel seat and selecting the line guides and spacing yourself. Although there's a ton of information on this on the internet, a small mistake will have a huge impact on how the rod fishes. And this is where the Epic Rod Kit comes in. Swift Fly Fishing has removed all the guesswork and supplies all the correct components and materials for you to build a rod. This is a great introduction into the world of rod building. When you order an Epic Rod Kit, Swift touches base with you via private email to make sure that the build is going well. There's also a very informative Epic Rod Building Facebook page where you can ask any questions should you run into problems. So all the components come shipped in this neatly designed box. When you open the box, there's a warranty card and a checklist from the person who packed it. Thanks, Adam. The first thing that catches your eye is the rod tube, which holds the sock, the 5-weight 9-foot rod blank, and a cleaning cloth. Swift ships this rod model with a slim Wells grip, which is almost like a fine full Wells grip, and a complete reel seat. There's also a complete sticker pack that comes with the kit, including the identification stickers that come on the rod. One of the things that impressed me the most of this building kit is the detailed instruction that comes with it. It's a 55-page document that takes you through every step. This is your Bible for the build. Do not attempt building the rod without going through it thoroughly. The rest of the components and consumables come in one pack and include the line guides, the tip top, winding check, rod building thread, clear coat and epoxy, and a couple of other items you need. Another piece of kit that you need is a drying motor to apply and evenly cure the clear coat. Here I have a drying motor that Epic supplies and it works with AA batteries. The final item that comes with the kit is the box itself, which converts into a clever thread wrapping stand. Some other additional items that Swift recommend for the build include a craft knife or blades, masking tape, a rag or kitchen towel, denatured alcohol, fly tying scissors, fly tying bobbin, medium grit sandpaper, a drinking straw, a tape measure, toothpicks, and last but certainly not the least, good tunes and some scotch. Thanks for joining us for the introduction on this Epic Ready to Wrap kit. If you'd like to see how we complete the build, please join us in part 2 and part 3 of the building series. The link to both of these can be found in the description below. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications, then we can let you know as soon as we release any future content. Until next time, cheers.